Hi friends, okay, so I'm just gonna tell you guys really fast how I assembled the Kenmore vacuum cleaner. It was super easy. So first I put the handle, it literally just locks into place on here. Then you're going to have this portion of the vacuum right here, and then this attaches to the floor part as well. But you can obviously as well use this as a hand vacuum too. So it's a 2-in-1 cordless vacuum, which is awesome. So that's what it's gonna look like all set up. And then we've got our manual right here. So let's just take a little look. Let me show you guys the assembly. So this is what the assembly that I followed was. So it's super simple and easy to follow instructions with photographs, which is awesome. And then it comes with these extra pieces as well. We've got a bristle brush. We've got a crevice tool right here. And we've got another 2-in-1 tool as well. And then we've got a floor mount, so if you want to just hang it or stand it on your floor, we've got one of these. And then we've got looks like a wall mount, so awesome. And then we've got an extra filter and a charger cord. So let's go ahead and test out the vacuum cleaner. So it's super easy to turn on. You literally just press this right here. Here, let me see. So you slide this button forward. So it's got 2 different settings, which is awesome. So it's got a low and a high setting. And also it does have a light, which is pretty cool. And it has a bunch of different features. It is a handheld vacuum as well. So you can use it handheld. As you can see, it's got this really cool grip right here. So it's super, super easy to take it into the handheld motion. You literally just press this button back here. So it's super easy to use in handheld. So if you want to vacuum your car out or whatnot, and this is awesome to use the attachments with. You literally just slide them right in place. So say you want to vacuum your couch, boom, you got your attachments right here. But let's go ahead and try it in this stand up position. So I'm just gonna line it back up. Let's see, there we go. All right, so I love how it lights up to show you where the dirt is, and it's also very powerful even on its low setting. So I'm super excited about this. I feel like this is a great versatile vacuum cleaner to make cleaning so much easier because it's cordless. So thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful.